In this video, I'm going to show you how to get infinite tokens in Blooket. So as you can see, just get a new tab and copy this, what I've written. It also GitLab to the cheat of Blooket. So just enter that. Then once you are in here, just click cheats and click global and just click get daily rewards. Once you're in here, you must click this copy file contents. Once you click that, you have copied all of these. Then just go to your Blooket, click, right click inspect, then go to console. Once you are in here, just paste the one that you have copied and just press enter. And once you have entered, there will be an appearance that you have received tokens. That's it.